In this video, I will show you how to create this beautiful flower in Adobe Illustrator. Start by creating a new document with the desired dimensions. Select the rectangle tool and click once on the artboard. Use the artboard dimensions for the rectangle. Fill it with black color and center it on the artboard. Press Ctrl on Window and Command on Mac +2 to lock the background. You can also do it by going to Object menu, then click on Lock and Selection. Select the Polygon tool and draw a polygon. Apply a color to it and change its stroke outline. Go to the Effect menu, choose Distort and Transform, and then Pucker and Bloat. Apply these settings and click OK. Go to the Edit menu, copy the shape, and paste it in front. Decrease its size. Repeat the steps to copy, paste, and resize. This time increasing the size. Select all the shapes and use the eyedropper tool to match their outline weight. Change the smallest shape's outline color to black. Select all the shapes and go to the Object menu, then Blend and then click on Make. Open the blend options and set the specified steps to 400. Click OK. Use the Direct Selection tool to select the top two flower layers. Click the Recolor button to change their colors as desired. And that's it. Your flower design is ready. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching.